आज के इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि आप प्ले स्टोर से कैसे अपने प्ले कंसोल से एप्लीकेशन दूसरे प्ले कंसोल पे ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं। So today in this video we are going to transfer an application from one play console account to another play console account. So here is my application, my play console dashboard. So now what we need to do is just we need to type here transfer app, transfer app. Okay, so here I got a suggestion. Now click on it, and then after we need to click on transfer app. Then we need to select an application that is uh, we have got a list of application here. Now we need to select the application that we want to transfer, so I'm transferring this application. Okay, fine. Now what we need to do is a transaction ID. So where is our transaction ID? So for transaction ID we need to type t.google.com. Okay, t.google.com. Fine. So here is our transaction. From here we can get our transaction ID. So we need to click on activity. Now click on the inactivity. You will get a developer registration fee. So click on it, and here when we scroll down, it will show our transaction ID. We need to click on it. Okay, and now we need to put it here. So now what we need some more details, like we need new developer account ID. Okay, developer ID or package name. So how we can get it? So this is the developer ID. You can see this is the developer ID. Okay, for getting a developer ID we can also look at home. Okay, so 8007. Fine, here is also 8007. So this is our developer ID. You got it? Okay, so we need developer ID of another developer account. Okay, and we need new account transaction ID also. To get this, what we need to do is we need these details. So I have got these details from my client. Okay, so and when after submitting all this, we need to click here review and transfer. Okay, so here I have got a transaction ID from one of my clients. Okay, so I need to put it here. Okay, new transaction ID, and I have also got account ID here. Okay, so here I need to put it. Okay, correct. We need to find it wallpaper is correct. Select a user. Need to change the family details. This will be the correct transfer of the part of the organization. I role or relationship with the organization that all this developer account has changed. No, this is a part of business reorganization. Okay, so business relationship, none of them. Okay, now what I have used, I have added everything. Now we need to click on here review and transfer. Okay, fine, accept, and now done. Right now, transaction ID doesn't belong to this. That transaction ID doesn't belong to this developer account. To find the transaction ID. Okay, I need to add new transaction ID, and what we have got a transaction ID is this one. Okay, fine. Now it's done. App is being transferred. So we have successfully requested Google to transfer the application from my Play Console account to another Play Console account. That's it for today. For more video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please do like this video if you found it a good work of mine. Okay, thank you.